Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the PHP. So currently I'm facing one of the issue that none of the supported PHP extensions with this MySQL and this one are available. So let's fix this issue. So first of all, we have to go with installation of this PHP MySQL. So let's copy this and add it over here. Before those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here I'm going to do with this one, right? So setting up this is done. Now moving to the next step, that we have to go with the restart, right? So let's add this to service patch to restart, right? So just add this command and just make it sure it will be running. This is done. Let's go to the browser and check that is it working or not. So here we go with this one, and let's reload, and here we go with this one, login. I think the password, yes, let me add the password. Might be this is the password, right? So here you can see that the issue is resolved. So this is how you can fix this issue. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.